Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 4a with a cracked display, and as you can see, this is not really usable, and David is here for us to rescue this device. Let's go! So as you all know, Google Pixel smartphones are relatively easy as you move down the tier model, and the least expensive Google Pixel smartphones are the easiest to repair screens with, and this one is no exception. So for a budget phone, this is a very cost-effective fix. Just by replacing the display, the bad component, you can definitely save a lot of money by not buying a new smartphone in its entirety. The screen is now removed. There's a bit of adhesive that connects it to the housing, but it's not a lot, so it's easier for us to remove it. And removing the two screws that holds onto this latch reveals the connector for the display. You just lift it up from the side and it's gonna be off. We're gonna reuse this speaker grill that covers the speaker for calls. Put that to the side and then clean off the housing so that we can apply fresh liquid glue. And that's it. We're gonna be ready now after this to replace the screen. So David has already procured the necessary replacement components. So he might have them already in stock, or he might have to order some from his suppliers. But here we have the replacement screen ready. We're just going to remove the cover for the camera hole. Then we're going to try to connect it. And then we're not gonna assemble the whole thing. We're just gonna turn this on and see if it works. And as you can see, there's a bit of a notification, but when you press the power button again, it boots up to a custom Android ROM, Graphene OS. So this means that the user might be well advanced in modifying their smartphone's ROM, or he might have bought it, or she might have bought it from someone else who has changed the ROM or the firmware on this Google Pixel 4a. We're gonna shut it down, remove the connector for the display, and then we're gonna apply fresh liquid glue. So if you have a Google Pixel smartphones lying around and you want to revive them as a gift this Christmas, or just a gift for the holidays, you can have it fixed. You can replace the battery, you can replace the damaged display if it's broken, or you can sell the parts just to gain some money. But if you can salvage old devices and save it from being thrown into the bin, that's gonna be awesome for your wallet and of course for the planet. So David here is an advocate of fixing your existing stuff rather than buying something unnecessarily. Sometimes you can just save some money and forego the purchasing of new devices. So here in the shop, we have fixed a lot and lots of smartphones in the past, and David here is also fixing a lot of iPhones, Apple Watches, Samsung devices, and of course Asus ROG smartphones. This simple repair is just your average run-of-the-mill service that we offer here in the shop. So if you have any questions or you want to inquire on the services that we offer, you can message us over at Facebook. You can message us through our website, sydneycbd.repair. You can also leave a comment or questions on this video, and David is gonna be sure to reply to those queries as soon as he can. And we have a free tempered glass for the client. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the holidays. Till next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.